If you love DIY, this denim trick is a must-try. First, cut 6 8.5 cm square pieces of denim, then cut 6 7 cm square pieces of floral fabric. Cut each 7 cm square piece into a small heart shape. Place the heart shapes onto the denim squares and pin them in place. After securing all 6 hearts onto the denim, stitch the pieces together. Next, attach a 4 cm wide long strip to the top and bottom. After joining them, cut a lining piece of the same size. Fold it in half and sew the side seams. Turn it inside out and measure the opening with a ruler. Cut a 15 cm bottom piece. After sewing it on, turn it to the right side. Then make 2 handles, each 20 cm long and 5 cm wide, and sew them to both sides. Using the same method, sew the lining but leave an opening for turning. Put the finished outer piece inside the lining, tidy up the edge, sew around the opening, then turn it right side out. Sew the turning opening closed and stitch a visible top edge line. This way, a handy and practical tote-style storage basket is completed.